All right, let's start the day off with an unboxing. This is a very big box. I actually don't know what's in it, so this is gonna be fun. I'm pretty excited. Come in. What's up, Matt?
Hey, man.
We're just about to unbox something. You wanna check it out?
Sure, man.
I don't know what it is. I'm really excited. What is this? Oh, I know what this is. Nice.
Adult things.
It's not sneakers, but it's probably more useful than sneakers. Ugh. I got pots. Oh, nice. Knives too. Nice. I also got knives. These are sick pots.
I actually like these quite a bit.
Yeah?
Yeah, I really did not like the Wave Runner.
The dad shoes?
Yeah, I really did not like those. I didn't find any appeal to them whatsoever. I think the worst part for me is like the colorway. I just cannot get down with it at all.
Would you wear these?
I would wear these actually.
Would you buy them?
That's tough because I can't, even at retail for like 200 bucks, that's
$280 plus tax, Canadian.
Oh, I guess so.
200 US.
No, there's zero chance that's happening.
I really like these. Did I tell you about 3 pairs? Remember the shelf from yesterday? This is the shelf from yesterday. It's pretty heavy, huh?
It was hefty.
It was hefty. All right. The shelf's done. All right, today is the day. It all starts now. Wow, this is a sad day. I feel like having a little funeral for all these guys. I've had great memories with these sneakers, but today they're all starting to get sold. The goal is to have all of these listed up by the end of today, whether it be on eBay, Kijiji, Facebook groups, my own website. I'll leave a link down in the description if you guys want to bookmark that. I'll have new stuff pop up on there every single day. And I already have a couple pairs that I have sold already. I just need to either meet up with the people or ship them out. Wow, the end of an era. I'm really excited. It's a little bit sad to see all of them go, but I'm really excited. It means I can buy more sneakers that I like more. It means I can travel more. It means I can do cooler stuff. I'm still gonna keep buying sneakers. And for all you guys that feel sad that I'm not gonna have these anymore, don't worry. I mean, these are never really in any of my videos anyway, so the content will not be missing out on these sneakers. I already have a buyer for these ones, the new Loves. Very sad to see these ones go. I really like these ones, but I have so many pairs of Jordan 1s. There's a lot of Jordan 1s that I like more than these, and I mean, I got what I paid for them. There's no box, and I wore them a couple times, so I felt I got my enjoyment out of these. I have good memories with these, and now I can sell them and let them move on to someone else that's going to enjoy them. I also have a buyer for the Tinker 3s. This one was a hard one to sell. I camped out for these, and I love these, but I don't love them as much as some of my other Jordan 3s that I have, like the Black Cements and the Infrared 23 3s. These will be missed, but I mean, I'm selling them for more than what I paid for, so you can't really complain. I'm gonna take a couple more Jordan 1s back to my apartment with me. I'm gonna take a couple pairs of other things as well. I have around probably room for 20 more pairs of shoes at home. I just haven't decided which ones I wanna take yet, but the rest of them are gonna be going, and I'm honestly excited. It's a big weight off your shoulders. I'm not a person that values material objects. They're cool, and I like having them, but they're not important. I don't know if that makes sense to you, but that's something I try and encourage you guys to think about. Cool things are cool, but at the end of the day, they're just things. And if you value them more than you value experiences or people, then you're gonna find that you miss out on a lot of things in life. So treat these as they are. They're things, they're shoes, they're things you put on your feet and wear around and get dirty. They're awesome to have, but they're not necessary to have if you wanna be happy. Okay, that sounds like really corny, but you guys get what I'm saying. Anyways, I'm dropping off a couple of these at Friday nights right now. What's up, Eric?
How you doing?
Good. First thing we're dropping off at Friday nights, I'm so sad to say, is to see this going. Oh no. Do you remember all the good times I've had with the Supreme Blimp, Eric?
I wasn't.
I overpaid for it at SneakerCon, and then I tied it to my drone and I crashed.
You broke a drone, yeah, you did break a drone.
Thanks for the hat, Pete. I got it. Oh! I got it.
You dropped part of your livestock bag. heavy. It's a heavy shoe. Like the bottom is very solid. Looks like a dad shoe. I didn't think it was a dad shoe until right now. Looks like a dad shoe.
Another pair of shoes we got here. These are a size 9. I just found them in my house. I don't know why they're there. I have no recollection of buying these, but size 9, pure platinums.
Nice. Let's check.
120 bucks.
Cool.
You can buy them here. That's a good price, huh?
Yeah.
It's a freaking good price.
Great price.
I don't even remember what these are called. Pure platinums maybe? Or white and gray? Or silver? Or I think it's the pure platinums. I don't know. It's just white and light gray and there's some silver on them somewhere. Pretty clean pair of shoes. I just have absolutely no use for these because they're size 9. And for the life of me, I could not tell you where these came from. They were just sitting in my sneaker room. So yeah. Oh, that looks good up there. Yeah. New York cityscape with the Supreme blimp.
We need string. We need string.
Okay, I might have the string in my trunk. I'm gonna check right now. Yeah. I don't have the string in my trunk. Eric?
Yeah.
I don't have the string in my trunk.
What are we supposed to do with an inflatable Supreme blimp and no string?
Have you guys ever wondered how shoes are plastic wrapped at like Flight Club and Stadium Goods and here? This is how. I've never seen this. I'm actually sort of excited.
Gotta let it heat up though.
This is a lot less exciting than I thought it would be.
What did you think was gonna happen?
I don't know. Just expected more.